Ever wish you could turn plain text into a complete video with voice, visuals, and music all done in minutes? Today I'll show you exactly how to do that with zero filming, zero editing, and zero prior experience. By the end of this video, you'll have my full 3-step AI workflow to make videos fast. That's right, zero filming, zero editing, and absolutely no prior experience needed. You're about to unlock a superpower. Our workflow is simple. First, write your script with ChatGPT. Second, generate your voice in seconds. And third, let AI build the entire video for you. Let's dive in. Every great video starts with words. You don't need to be a writer, you just need a prompt. Open ChatGPT and type. Write a 45-second YouTube short script about your topic. Keep it conversational and end with a call to action. That one line gives you a ready-to-read script in seconds. If you already have a blog post or article, ask ChatGPT to summarize it into a 1-minute video script with a strong hook. You now have your story, hook, and call to action without touching a camera. Next, let's make that script talk. Copy your text and drop it into a text-to-speech tool. My top 3 are ElevenLabs for ultra-realistic voices, Play.ht for quick exports, and Murf.ai when you want background music mixed right in. Choose the tone that fits your message. Calm for education, lively for tutorials, bold for storytelling. Tweak the pacing, hit export, and you've got a clean MP3 voiceover. Here's where the magic happens. Turn your script into a full video. Upload your script or voice into AI video generators like Pictory.ai, Runway ML, HeyGen, or CapCut AI templates. The process is simple. Paste your script, let the AI pick visuals, preview, and make small swaps. Add subtitles, a logo, or an outro, and your video is ready. If you're creating content daily, batching is your best friend. Ask ChatGPT for 5 scripts at once. Convert them all to voiceovers in one sitting. Then drop those into your AI video tool to generate 5 videos back-to-back. Connect ChatGPT, Zapier, and Google Drive so your scripts automatically feed into your video app. It's a literal hands-off pipeline. Text in, video out. Now here's the part that gets exciting. Monetization. Once you can turn text into video like this, you can start earning immediately. 3 ways to cash in. YouTube automation channels for ad revenue, freelance services on Fiverr or Upwork, or repurpose content for businesses. With AI doing most of the work, your time becomes infinitely more valuable. So there you have it, your full text-to-video workflow. No editing, no filming. Just your ideas, a few smart tools, and AI doing the rest. Grab my free AI video starter kit, linked below. And if you found this helpful, subscribe now, because in tomorrow's video, I'll show you 5 AI tools that actually pay you to use them. Now go try this workflow today and drop a comment that says, AI video done, once you post your first one. I'll be cheering you on. Get your free AI video starter kit linked below. Don't forget to subscribe for more AI tool insights.